How could you have a calm mind? Can you ever do that? Yes, we are trying with meditation, some yoga, some other exercises, relaxing exercises to calm your mind. But is such a thing called calm mind? I don't think so. Our mind is always having the billions of thoughts coming and going, and we always occupy our mind with our thoughts, and there is no one single second without a thought, thinking. And when you're trying to not to think or stay still, it's a very impossible target. You can't never do that. Instead of that, what you should do is looking at your chaotic mind, looking at your scatty, chaotic and agitated mind sometimes, and we accept it and deal with it. How do we deal with it? And every time you think, you can say it, but how do you deal with it? And when you go to a seaside, and you're sitting down in a beach and looking at the waves of the sea, can you ever control that waves? Can you ever stop the waves? No, you can't. But you have some calmness when you see that, how that waves comes and goes, and how that, the cold breeze, and in front of everything you can feel a little bit of calmness. And mind is like that. There is a chaos all the time. There is a scattiness and aggressiveness, calmness. This whole thing is combination of the thoughts in your mind. And don't try to stop it or calm with it, and try to watch how your mind is taking you a journey. And when you step back, watch that mind. You can see it's just like a sea, and waves comes and goes, and sometimes it's dangerous, sometimes it's chaotic, sometimes it's like very calm and light waves, but always waves. There is without waves, there's no sea exist, and same time without the thinking, there is no mind exist and exist. That means you have to think about, step out of your mind, step out and watch your mind and see how it's unfolding in front of you. And then you can feel like chaos happen, everything happen, nothing you can control in the outside world or inside our body. But you can only control how you, not even control, you can only learn how to deal with this chaos in a calm manner. That's all. Then your reactions from your mind is coming kind of nice way, is can tolerable to other people. In Ayurveda, we call there is 3 gunas in your mind: sattva, rajas and tamas. Sattvic qualities always love, compassion and kindness, and rajasic qualities the force, driven force and desire to get it thing done. And tamas quality is like heaviness or darkness or lethargicness of the mind. And we are consist with all these 3 qualities. To increase your sattvic quality is what you have to do is understand the mind. Understand the mind, the chaos the mind is making all the time, and step back and try to deal with it with acceptance. When you accept your mind is like that, you can easy to deal with that. Then your sattvic quality is increased, your love, compassion, and kindness, and same times it's create the good side of the rajasic quality. You have the force, you have the drive, desire, but a desire is becoming like for others, to doing something better for others, doing something for better to yourself, doing something for change the world you like, and same times the lethargicness and slowness is coming to your mind as a good deal, like slow down and calm down your the journey a little bit, and make you stop to see others, the universe, the whole thing unfolding in front of you. And that is the mind. And don't try to control your mind. It can't be. You never be able to control your mind or calm your mind. Only thing you can do is step back and watch and see your mind. What is this? What that chaos this mean? And then making every single minute, every single second. And then you come to terms with it and accept. That is how we say it is. And then you can deal with better when you're in any chaos conditions, any anger or sadness or sorrow, you can deal with it better. But you can't say it's never going to come tomorrow. Today is a problem, yes, you sorted out that problem. Tomorrow can be 10 problems comes. That's the way it is. And calmness means to learn to live with this chaotic mind and step back and see how this whole thing is unfolding. Once Buddha said, the hardest picture you can imagine in the world is if you see other person's mind and then say how crazy this. It doesn't matter is a Buddha or Allah. There's still that chaos going on their mind, because that's the way it is.